Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Today, we're diving into the world of organization and storage with the Stereoscopic storage boxes, household storage boxes. These boxes are an absolute game changer when it comes to keeping your home tidy and clutter-free. Let's talk about the features of these storage boxes. First off, the fabric is top-notch. It's wear-resistant, puncture-proof, and even washable, so you can keep it looking fresh and clean for years to come. The wrapping technology used in these boxes makes them not only durable but also beautiful to look at. And the alloy zipper? It's two-way and super smooth, ensuring easy access to your stored items. Now, let's talk about size options. Whether you need a smaller 30-liter box or a larger 220-liter one, we've got you covered. There's a size for every storage need. And don't even get me started on the handles. They're enhanced for comfort and durability, so you can easily move these boxes around without worrying about hurting your hands. But that's not even the best part. These boxes come with windows, so you can easily see what's inside without having to open them up. Talk about convenience, right? So, why should you invest in these stereoscopic storage boxes? Well, if you're tired of living in a cluttered space, these boxes will be your saving grace. They're perfect for organizing your closet, storing seasonal items, or even keeping your kids' toys in order. If you're ready to take control of your space and say goodbye to the mess, click the link in the description to get your hands on these storage boxes. Trust me, you won't regret it. And if you do decide to make the purchase, don't forget to leave us some positive feedback. We love hearing from satisfied customers like you. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.